So the overall crypto market is in a state of panic, and this has led Shiba Inu to plummet significantly. And in this video, I'll talk about the reasons behind this market-wide panicking, and it has taken a heavy toll on Shiba Inu. So investors in cryptos appear to have entered a state of anxiety and panic following the discovery of a new COVID variant in South Africa. The new variant was discovered Tuesday, and fear erupted throughout the week, with some nations in Europe and Asia imposing travel restrictions to Southern Africa. And in addition to the crypto market decline, the FTSE 100 plummeted 3%, while oil prices also declined during the last 24 hours. And owing to the market-wide panic, there was a rapid surge in crypto selling. And it has resulted in the whole market cap losing almost 9% of its value in the last 25 hours. Within the same period, the market lost almost $350 billion, and more than $530 million was liquidated across the board. And it was observed that Avalanche, Crypto.com, and Cosmos were among the biggest losers, each crashing by more than 17%, while Bitcoin and Ethereum both suffered substantial losses but appear to be clinging to a solid support level. And talking about Bitcoin, it appeared set for a breakout above $60,000 after Thursday's rise, but COVID fears played spoilsport. And because of these COVID concerns, investors have started to de-risk their holdings. And this significant sell-off has taken Bitcoin down to the 54K mark. However, there is still hope for Bitcoin as it has held support around the 54K level. And it is expected that a daily close above that zone will invalidate any bearish outlook. And if this happens, Bitcoin can show some strength in the coming trading sessions and hit the 60K psychological price level. And on the other hand, Ethereum fell sharply below $4,000 for the first time since mid-October, but then recovered above it. And as per reports, the liquidation rates on the crypto market for Ethereum have reached $60 million in the last 24 hours. And according to data from various centralized exchanges, a significant number of leveraged orders for Ethereum have been gathered at or close to the $4,000 support. However, it has been observed that traders are not yet rushing to sell all their assets. So it is a silver lining for Ethereum amid the current market meltdown, and this may help Ethereum to gain stability and gain some momentum in the coming sessions. Now this worldwide COVID fear has also taken a toll on Shiba Inu as it has dropped by almost 5%. In addition, SHIB was greatly affected by the overall market liquidity since it has already been struggling for the last couple of weeks while dropping by almost 20% in the last 7 days only. Now, as I said earlier, that despite this market-wide panic situation, both Ethereum and Bitcoin were able to hold some support. This happened because both these cryptos traded well in the previous trading sessions, but the issue with SHIB was that it had not shown any signs of strength for some time now. In short, SHIB is one of the most affected cryptos from this market panic. However, this market panic will not remain for an extended period of time since we have seen before that such situations remain for a brief moment. So I think there is nothing to worry about by SHIB holders. In fact, they should look for the big picture and long-term benefits. In addition, Shiba Inu has recently surpassed the 1 million holder threshold despite it having been trading almost 60% below its all-time high. And now with more than 1 million token holders, Shiba Inu appears to be on the verge of big things. All in all, this is a bullish indicator for SHIB, and I think this may provide some relief to SHIB holders who are currently worried about the current market sell-off. Now there is another good news for SHIB holders, as it is going to be added to a South Korean exchange soon. So as per the reports, Corbett, a South Korean exchange, has recently announced that it will list Shiba Inu in the coming week, making it the first exchange in the country to do so, while Shiba Inu will become the very first meme coin to be traded in South Korea. And as per the official announcement, with the addition of SHIB to the platform, users will be able to trade it against the Korean won very soon. Now Shiba Inu's listing on a South Korean exchange is not only unprecedented, but also laudable. As with China, the country is notorious for its stringent crypto rules and regulations, which have driven some crypto firms out of the country. So it is indeed a great achievement for SHIB to be getting listed in such a strict crypto environment. In addition, this is just another bullish indication for SHIB holders who may find some relief now seeing that SHIB is getting adopted in different parts of the world. So do you think that Shiba Inu can survive the current panic situation in the overall crypto market? And seeing these positive updates for Shib, do you think that it will gain some momentum in the coming days? Let me know in the comments section below. And now let's jump to some important crypto updates. So it appears that the Australians want to have a very merry crypto-giving Christmas this year. According to a recent survey on Australian consumers, findings produced by Crypto.com, many people in the country are incorporating crypto into their daily life. Over 2,000 people between the ages of 18 and 59 were surveyed, and it has been revealed that around 65% believe crypto can be used for purposes other than investment, while 26% of respondents who have used crypto in the previous 12 months indicated that they would consider giving some away for Christmas or purchasing crypto-related gifts. Meanwhile, more than half of those planning to purchase crypto gifts expressed an interest in purchasing crypto assets, and these mostly included Bitcoin and Ethereum. And apart from that, the survey revealed that crypto products such as theme socks or hoodies, as well as NFT, experience strong demand in the country. So it appears that Australia as a whole is experiencing extraordinary growth in interest in cryptos, and this is good for the crypto industry, especially during the ongoing overall market meltdown. Meanwhile, authorities in Singapore are also showing interest in the crypto sector, as it has been reported that the Monetary Authority of Singapore has just approved the launch of 2 new institutional-grade Bitcoin funds managed by Fintonia. The Fintonia Bitcoin Physical Fund and the Fintonia Secured Yield Fund would provide institutional investors in the country with long-term exposure to Bitcoin. In addition, the 2 new Bitcoin funds aim to simplify the process of purchasing Bitcoin from numerous exchanges and to provide investors with a secure investment vehicle. Now, the good thing for crypto investors is that the Fintonia Bitcoin Actual Fund would invest in physical Bitcoin and issue company stock proportional to their Bitcoin holdings. The term physical Bitcoin means that the firm will acquire actual Bitcoins rather than investing in derivative items. So this is indeed great development for crypto enthusiasts in Singapore. Moreover, we are now seeing that Singapore has risen to prominence as a preferred location for a number of crypto titans in recent times. The regulatory environment in the country appears to be favorable to crypto service providers to extend their operations in the country. Similarly, it has been reported that regulations governing the activities of crypto exchanges in Uzbekistan have been recently amended to allow residents to trade cryptos on approved platforms. So the residents of Uzbekistan can now purchase, sell, and exchange crypto assets for their national currency. Now, it is important to note here that before these changes, the citizens were only allowed to hold cryptos, so I think these changes are good for the cryptos industry and those interested in it. However, the Central Asian country continues to outlaw the usage of crypto as a means of payment for products and services. In September, Uzbekistan's central bank ruled out the possibility of Bitcoin and other cryptos being recognized as legal tender in the country. However, with these new changes coming, I think that the authorities will soon change their stance on adopting crypto as a legal tender as well. And talking about crypto regulations, it has been reported that the Russian State Duma is now organizing a working group of deputies to address unresolved issues relating to cryptos. Its members will be tasked with the responsibility of explaining numerous regulatory matters relating to cryptos, such as the authorization of mining and the imposition of taxation. In addition, as I mentioned in my previous video, a recent Bank of Russia report revealed that Russians are among the most active participants in the crypto market, with yearly crypto transactions totaling $5 billion. Additionally, the Bank of Russia stated in the report that the Russian Federation leads the world in terms of Binance cryptocurrency exchange visitors, and Russia was discovered to be one of the largest Bitcoin mining countries in the world, ranking 3rd in terms of national hash rates. So seeing both these reports, I think that citizens of Russia are already interested in cryptos, but now the authorities also seem to change their stance on the sector. With new regulatory frameworks incoming, I think that crypto will get mainstream adoption in the country. And now, coming back to the overall crypto market, we are now seeing that most of the cryptos are trading in the red owing to the market-wide panic situation. Additionally, over 187,000 crypto trading positions were liquidated in the last 24 hours, contributing to the broader market breakdown. However, it has been observed that whales are continuing to accumulate larger sums of cryptos. So I believe that such actions by whales will benefit the whole crypto market during this period of turmoil and may even accelerate it forward. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.